push on the button, check it on the back side, it's locked, fine. There you go. Now, I know you can do that. Okay, get yourself a few tools. See how nice that looks? Here's the paddle going nicely pre-finished. That's the aged bronze. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and work on this strike plate. This is the old strike plate, and I've got a new one that matches because it came with the doorknob. See there, that it's just gonna brighten this up a little bit and make everything look nice. This has wear marks on it. Eventually we're gonna have marks on this other one too. This has some paint on there and stuff. And I see that the little paddle on the inside, remember there's a paddle here if you were watching the other one. There's a paddle right there. That's what I call that. This one's bent a little bit, so I know I'm gonna have to do a little bit of an adjustment on that. I'll go ahead and spin this out. Hold your mouth just right and get this without taking any of the paint off. Okay, I've got my pair of pliers. I've got this, let's see, I like that. I hold my hand on it because, see, it's very thin. I don't want to bend it all out of whack. You know, this little bit here, I put it in my hand like that and hang on to it, right like that, and give it a little twist. Okay, about like that. And I'll try that. Chances are it's not going to be perfect, but I'll know how much more to do it. Every once in a while I get lucky. And it will fit the first time, but not very often. I don't mind. It's just part of the job. Okay. Just make it snug. Don't over tighten these screws, okay? All right, let's get you resituated over here. Let's go ahead and close this door and see how it latches. Here, gotta move you over this way a little bit. See that? I hate that. That's my pet peeve. Not adjusting your latch properly. So I know I've got to bend that paddle out further, don't I? Take my pliers, bend that a little bit, and try it again. Man, got it out quite a ways. Usually I don't have to go out that far. You go out too far, and depending how much of a gap you have between the door and the door jamb, your latch has to go in there. It seems like it has to go in ways further, but we'll see. Okay, snug it up. Try it again. See, there's still a little bit. See how big the gap is right here? That's a lot bigger than normal. I don't know why it's like that. It just is. If it wasn't, then I probably wouldn't have to adjust this again. Okay, this is the third time I'm having to adjust this. And that's just part of it. Take my pliers here, hold it. Bend it over a little bit. Man. Okay. This part sometimes takes almost as long as installing the whole doorknob. You know? Jeez. Moment of truth. I'm liking that. Test it. Last thing you want is to get it so tight that the latch isn't pushing in all the way. And you'll know that if you push on it and if you kind of feel it, you don't want to think, okay, people just have to slam it or close it hard. What's the big deal? Well, the big deal is if it doesn't slide in all the way, it could pop out of the side. Okay? I'm not going to adjust it any more than that. Okay? I'm calling that one good. And you try it 4 or 5 times, and check the handle and all that, and I'm good to go. There's my install ready for the next one. Right here. There it is. Hey, well that's it from Maui. I'll catch you on the next video.